English Das was level 4. Activity Speaking AA2. Martha Ismael Lopez. Learning sheet number 2698205. Instructor Harry Enrique Rodriguez Diaz. Since I was 24, in 2019 I was in Bogota, but for my mother's health reason I moved to Honda with the intention of being prepared for a few months and returning to Bogota. But while the pandemic and quarantine arrived, I could no longer live. I spent time with my family and friends. I was studying accounting in Bogota, and I was working in a school. I was practicing swimming, and I was creating a cleaning products microenterprise. I worked with chemicals for the maintenance of swimming pools. Due to the new reality, I started the same economic activity in Honda and used safety products that helped me to support the fixed family expenses. The experience was a bit traumatic since restructuring my whole life from one moment to the next caused me stress and depression, but with the help of God and the family, we all got through.